Ever dreamt of investing alongside the big dogs on Wall Street? You know, buying stocks and ETFs in the mighty USD? Well, if you're a Canadian investor using Wealthsimple, that dream might seem a little out of reach. After all, Wealthsimple is a Canadian platform, so naturally, CAD is king, right? But hold on to your hats, investing aficionados, because things aren't always as they seem. While CAD is the default currency on Wealthsimple, there might be a hidden path to that USD investing paradise you crave. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of USD deposits on Wealthsimple to see if you can truly unleash your inner Wall Street wolf. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you deposit USD directly into your Wealthsimple account? Well, here's the twist, it depends. Wealthsimple operates primarily in CAD. So, for standard accounts, you can only deposit good old Canadian dollars. But fear not, there's a little loophole we can explore. Enter the world of USD accounts, a special feature offered by Wealthsimple for self-directed investing. If you activate USD accounts, you gain access to a whole new dimension, the ability to hold and trade in USD. This opens the door to a treasure trove of US-listed stocks and ETFs that might not be available on the CAD side. Now, here's where the plot thickens. With USD accounts activated, can you finally deposit those crisp USD bills into your Wealthsimple account? Well, almost. Here's the catch. Wealthsimple only accepts USD deposits from USD bank accounts held at a Canadian financial institution. That means your USD account at a fancy US bank won't work here. So, you'll need to have a USD account with a Canadian bank to fuel your USD investing adventures. But wait, there's more. There are alternative ways to get USD into your Wealthsimple account, even without a USD bank account. You can transfer USD from another investment account. Do you have a USD investment account elsewhere? You can transfer those hard-earned USD directly into your Wealthsimple USD account. The best part? Wealthsimple won't charge you any currency conversion fees for this transfer, saving you some moolah. Convert CAD to USD within Wealthsimple. This option comes with a caveat. Wealthsimple charges a spread, the difference between the buying and selling price, for currency conversion. So, while it's convenient, it might not be the most cost-effective method. Alright adventurers, here's the loot. So, can you deposit USD directly into Wealthsimple? With some creative maneuvering and the magic of USD accounts, the answer is yes. While there are limitations, Wealthsimple offers options to unlock the world of USD investing. Remember, upgrading to USD accounts comes with some fees, so make sure you weigh the pros and cons before taking the plunge. Do your research on currency conversion fees to optimize your investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.